So I'd like to apologize because I just like watched that video and I just heard how freaking loud that I was. So I started school on Monday and today's Friday, so I went through a whole week of freaking school. Yes. So I guess I'm gonna show you my outfit that I wore today. But before that all being said, I guess the question of the day before I start this is, what did you wear in your first day of school? Yeah, comment, subscribe, and then, yeah, so I'll show you my outfit. Okay, so let me fix this camera. So I kind of got, all my clothes are from Aeropostale. So, other than my shoes, yeah. So I kind of just got this like jacket, and then it was like this tank top thingy that was white, and then just this little Aeropostale shirt, and it says NYC, and then I had this little tank top thingy, and it kind of, I guess, is loose fitting. I like it. My pants, just like stretchy pull-up pants, and then for my shoes is these little Vans, and then my backpack is this. And I went messy today, I guess. So, yeah. Comment, subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye.
I'm just a little bit caught in the middle.